Steve and I are driving back from Phoenix right now, and look at this huge dust storm. Oh my God. I don't know if we're gonna make it through it or not. Oh, jeez.
We're gonna be swallowed up.
Should we keep going, Mr. Wilson?
We're on our way. Turn the lights off.
7-Eleven, 4th of July. Think they're still gonna have the fireworks? Oh
They'll go
my
till
gosh.
9, probably.
I don't know if you can see it out my window or not, but holy smokes. It looks like a tornado. God, are you sure we should go through here? I'm really serious. I haven't seen one bad since I first moved here when it was like this. Leo says, pull over. Keep your headlights on. No, turn your headlights off so people don't run in the back of you.
I don't even know how to turn the headlights off on this thing.
Right over there. Here we go.
It'd be a lot less. People pulling over already.
You hear Steve talking, people are pulling over already. They're getting off the freeway, pulling off to the side of the roads. Hopefully this isn't our last video. Oh, look at the freeway. Oh my gosh. It's hard to get it on camera. You can see it over here and still see mountain lines and then nothing. Oh, we gotta start by Fry's too.
Sure.